Hi there, welcome to Jackie's Kitchen. Okay, right, we're going to do our first in this series, doing some food that's really quick, easy, on budget, simple, great stuff, alkalising, ready for anything, and keep us going, great for fat loss. Right, so the first one we're going to do is a sexy snack bar. We need to prepare first, so what you're going to need, a bowl, a spoon, a little tray, butter, but not for putting in it, it's just for lining, just a little bit of greasing, very thin greasing. You're going to need porridge oats, you're going to need some raisins, sultanas, pumpkin seeds, walnut pieces, sunflower seeds, a little bit of honey, and 2 eggs. Now, I've done this recipe in a break from watching a television programme. This is how quick and easy it is. Switch your cooker on, 180, not making a lot of sound. Okay, so here we go. First of all, 2 handfuls porridge oats. Leave that there, yeah, just in case. So then we're going to put a small little handful of the sunflower seeds. Another one for the pumpkin seeds. Walnut pieces, just a few, just to get mixed around. Crunch them up a little bit. Crunch, make them small pieces. More. Just use your own discretion there. Yes, don't go mad. A handful of sultanas, yeah. A handful of the raisins. Okay. Honey, 2 dessert spoons. Okay, there's 1 and 2. Now I know this is sugar still, but at least it's the proper sugar and not some of this rubbish that you buy in the shops. Okay, so 2 eggs. There's 1. There's 2. And then, whoops. Don't make a mess. Fold it all up. Literally, you're just stirring this in now. So mix it all up. Okay. Oops. Making more of a mess. I have washed my hands, by the way. There we go. There now. Don't know whether you can see properly, but this is still quite wet. Okay, so you can afford to put in a few more porridge oats. So maybe another half a handful. Okay, so you just do 2 to start with, and then sort of add in, because you can't take away. You can always add a bit more, but you can never take it away again, so it's best to always start little. Okay, now for the little bit of greasing, a little bit of off the edge of your butter thing, and then literally around like that. Whether you can see that, literally hardly anything there. That's just so it doesn't stick to the bottom. I mean, you may be able to do it without it, but I haven't actually tried that. Okay, so then you just plop it in. Should get it all in like so. Now this won't fill up the whole pan. Yeah, but you make it so it's about a centimetre in height. There you go. Alright, pat it down. Now, if my records show, that's about 4 minutes it's taken me. Maybe 5, I'll have to check. Okay, and a little bit off. don't want to waste any. Okay, so now, There now. Perfect. Just make that nice and flat. Right, so that's filled up about 2/3 of my on my little tray here. So if you can get one that's that size, that's perfect. But I haven't got one that size, so this is how I'm doing it. Literally in the oven. I normally do it top shelf, 10 minutes, done. Okay, and I'll show you what to do when it comes out. See ya.